In the communication with our customers, they often ask for the correct dimensions of the flat-facing and corner bricks. Now we would like to explain our dimensions to avoid misunderstandings in the communication. We have two different lengths for the flat-facing bricks. We have length 1 with 71 mm and length 2 with 240 mm. Length 1 and length 2. For the corner-facing bricks, we have three different lengths. We have length 1 with 52 mm, length 2 with 150 mm, and length 3 with 240 mm. For our last Formsturz waagerecht, we have also three lengths. Length 1 is 71 mm, length 2 is 240 mm, and length 3 is 115 mm. Please note this for your orders. Thank you very much.